Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be seeing that how to make a mosaic design of any image. For that, first we are going to take this image from pixels.com by Huzefa Tapia and take it in CorelDraw, and this is our image. Yes, it's a large image. We fix it here. Press P and that's what I want. Okay, so this is 210. Let's make this 210 by 280. So let our page also be 280. Okay, so this is perfectly within our page. Okay, now what we are going to do is it's 210 by 280, so it's a very good output. Let's do one thing. Let's create a small rectangle here. Okay, press control and so you'll get a perfect square. Make this 9 mm. Okay, then what we do is we top align it and left. Okay, come here, copy, paste and right align it. Now there is one way of doing the whole layer, mosaic thing, is that you make it at 10 mm and just paste it right up till here. Okay, and same we take this and do it right up till here. So that is option 1. Okay, let's do option 1. Okay, let's see how this works. So 10 0. Okay, along the x-axis, control D D D D D D. Okay, so this is control D and this is how option 1 works. Okay, and right now it's small, so it's fine, but let's say that this was not small, this was a big thing. Okay, so what you'll have to do, group this. Okay, copy, paste and bottom. Okay, so this is object 1, this is object 2. Now what I do, I come here, select these two, okay, and say blend. Come here and say blend. Now how many steps do I want to blend? Let's try 20. Okay, so from here till here. Is 20 good? No, because this gap is a little more. Let's make it 25. Yes, this is exactly what we want. Okay, so this is the second way of doing it. So you don't have to do control D, control D, control D. Okay, directly you can have your mosaic. So now when we press this, when you do this, the whole image also gets selected. Okay, which is what we don't want. Now we want only a mosaic to be selected. So what you do is press control and just click here. So when you click here, this becomes independent of each other. Okay, they become independent of each other. So in that scenario, we will break this apart, break blend apart, ungroup all objects and you combine them. Now what happens in this is that all this becomes one object. Okay, so that's how this will work. Now we just do one thing, we nudge it up by 2 centimeters, 2 mm. Okay, so that we can select our image. Select the image, come here, object, power clip, place inside frame and there it goes. So your mosaic is ready. Okay, all you need to do is again push this down, come here and then select the image and push the image up. Got it? So this is your whole mosaic. If you do no fill, that's how it will come. Now we could have done something else also, which you all can do at the start. You can't do it now. Otherwise, let's see if we can do it now. Okay, go into Windows, Dockers and try corner. So now let's do fillet rounding corners and not 7 mm. I just want it rounded for 1 mm. Okay, let's see what comes. You see this? Now they all are rounded. Okay, so this is how you could, even if you have not rounded it at the start, you could round it later also. Just say apply and they all get rounded. Okay, so this is how it is. If you see, there is a slight problem. Now this is 1 mm, this is more than 1 mm. Okay, so now how are we going to work with that? In this, you'll have to come here, break apart, select all of these, press Ctrl and push them in. Okay, so it will come in by 1 mm. Now I think we are on track again. We again just weld all of them, and we are back in business. So this is one image and it's done. Okay, so such things might happen in duplication, but when you are doing a blend, the spacing will be equal. Okay, so that is the flaw of this second part. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Now we are going to do put some text. Okay, let's say dream. Okay, and make it Arial black and bold. Arial black bold. Okay, and we make it big. We rotate it by 90 degrees and we align it to this. Okay, see if we can make it big. Yes, this is good. Now give this a color. Now how do we work on that? Again, first let's do one thing. Object, power clip, place inside frame, push this in. Okay, so this is how your dream will look. Now we want to work on this image. Okay, so how do we work on this image? Let's first put it in the center of our page. Yeah, how do we work on this image? So first we come here, bitmaps, convert to bitmaps, and we make it at 300 dpi, and let's make it CMYK only. So you will get CMYK colors. Yes, it might darken a little bit, color might change, but that's fine. Okay, so now I trace this. So let's keep it basic only, line art. Okay, so that it just happens quickly. Make this none. Okay, we don't want anything to be removed from this. Make it none. We want our whole image, because anything gets removed, it will affect our mosaic. Let's say okay, and this is the output that we get. Now what color should dream be? Okay, dream could very well just be we select dream. Okay, and give it this color. Okay, so this is, or let's give it a lighter color. Let's select this. Okay, from here select this color and let's give dream this color. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so this is how we make this. Now you would say that I want that a little bit more should be there, it should not look so flat. So in that, all you need to do is just, now what we do is come here, go into this, or this is our illustration. There's also a very heavy image behind, so shift page down and delete our image. Otherwise, if you want to create more drama, okay, what you could do is give this some kind of a blend. So let's say from here to here, okay, we give it a transparency. So she is kind of turning from she's kind of cracking up into an illustration. So that could also be an option. Okay, so we leave it and we come out. So this is how you make your whole mosaic. Okay, and now if I want to give some of them a different color, all I need to do is break it apart. So now as this is all of them are broken apart. Now if I want to change the color, I want to make this yellow. Okay, then it's not happening directly. Okay, now this is our square. Let's say I want to give it a little different color, I want to give it this color. Okay, so if I click directly on it, it's not going to happen. Okay, the reason being that there is already a color behind it. Got it? So how do I make this of this color? It's very simple. Take a square, rectangle, and it's surprisingly 9 by 9. We just give it a all round bevel of 1. Okay, and wherever you want this, okay, you are going to take the make multiple copies of this. Let's say at 3-4 places we want different colors. Okay, so at one place I want this color, so I pick it, put it here, put it in this one also. in the other I want a darker color. Okay, so I take the color of the hair, put it in this one and put it in this one. Okay, take your third color on this. So this one we give it this color, directly we give it this color. Okay, and now strategically just place these wherever you want. Let's say this one should come here. The next one we will is this one. We put it somewhere near the hair. Then this one we put somewhere near the skin, and this one we put again somewhere near the hair over here at a distance. And now this last one we keep it somewhere where our text is. Now select all these. Okay, search for all of them and make sure you are just no outline. Okay, outline should be none, and this is how it will look. Now just make it F4. So that's the end of our artwork. So my friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.